Hey, are you tired of spending hours on Excel feeling like you are getting nowhere fast? Well, what if I told you that you could double your efficiency with a few simple shortcuts? Yes, you heard it right. Double your efficiency. Today we are diving deep into the world of Excel to uncover shortcuts that will revolutionize how you work. From beginners to spreadsheet gurus, these hacks are for everyone. So grab your notepad because you are about to become an Excel power user. Let's start with basics, the shortcut to save your life, literally. Control S. Sounds simple, right? But how many times have you lost your work because you forgot to save? Next up, are you still using your mouse to select everything? Let me introduce you to Control A. This shortcut selects all the content in your worksheets in a blink. But here is where magic happens, combining Control Shift with arrows. Want to select all the data in a column without scrolling for eternity? Then Control Shift plus down arrow. Boom! Everything is selected. Now let's talk about formatting. Making your data look good can be as important as data itself. Control B for bold, Control I for italics, and Control U for underlining. Simple but game changing. Ever been lost in sea of sheets? Control page up or Control page down will navigate you through tabs faster than ever before. But what about formulas and functions, the heart of Excel? Pressing F2 gets you directly into the edit mode of a cell. Gone are the days of double clicking with your mouse. Speaking of formulas, ever use the same formulas across multiple cells? Then Control R to fill right and Control D to fill down. Like this as I am showing here. This will save you more time than you can imagine. Now for the piece de resistance, flash fill. This function will help you to fill automatically, as you can see here, first name and last names just by a click. Need not to type first and last name for each column, each row individually. You want to enter a pattern? Press Ctrl E and watch Excel magically fill the rest. This feature alone can turn hours of work into mere seconds. Let's not forget about the navigation. Jump to the start or end of your worksheets with a Control Home or Control End. Suddenly, navigating lengthy sheets is a breeze. Lastly, if things get messy, Control Z or Control Z is your best friend. Made a mistake? No problem. Undo it in a flash with Control Z. Imagine all the time you will save and how much more you can accomplish. Start integrating these shortcuts into your workflow and watch your productivity soar. There you have it, folks. Excel shortcuts that can truly double your efficiency. Control S to save the work, Control A to select all the cells, Control Z to undo your work, Control R and Control D to fill the formulas automatically, Control B for bold, Control U for underline, Control I for italic, and or Control Home to scroll to the end or beginning of the worksheet, F2 to go into edit mode within a cell, Flash Fill to fill the content with a pattern, Control Page Down or Page Up to navigate between the sheets, and Control Shift with arrows to navigate within a sheet. These Excel shortcuts can truly double your efficiency. Don't forget to practice, as mastery comes with repetition. Remember, the road to becoming an Excel power user is paved with shortcuts, so keep learning and keep improving. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't hesitate to drop a comment with your favorite Excel hack or the one you found most surprising. If you found this video helpful, smash that like and subscribe button, share it with your friends and coworkers. Thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.